Well, welcome back to another Uncle Keith's Paint Shop video. Here is Uncle Keith, and this is a Mugen FN2. What you doing? What are you doing there, mate?
Don't worry about that.
Don't worry about that. So, what is the? Well, let's talk about it.
Let's talk. It's had a little taste on this corner, as you can see. I've started taking some bits off, but basically, it's had a bit of a
thud.
there. It's having a new wing.
Yeah.
New genuine wing there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Brand new.
Brand spank in a bag.
In a bag from Honda. New headlight because that's broke. And a bracket and some other bits and bobs.
Yeah.
So we're just working at taking the bits off. The wing's half off, but I'm going to get the bumper out of the way. And it's got some various
Cable and tyres.
cable ties and bits and bobs.
Okay, mate.
Holding it together at the minute, but we're going to try and get it back all in one piece and lovely.
That's the plan. I'll be honest, Keith, it looks the same.
Sorry.
What?
I'll try my best.
What have you been doing all day?
In the oven.
Let's have a look. Go on, I'll follow you.
Repaired that. That's a new wing on a stand primed up. And then had them prime the bumper.
So repaired and painted, or primed.
Yeah, that's got prime right now.
Primer. That was new.
Yeah, that was a new wing. And
What?
this was it down, filter stone chips.
Oh, very nice.
Trying to make it look
Presentable.
And now we've got some championship white in the gun.
Champ white.
Championship white.
Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna hit it.
I'm going to spray some more.
Oh, where you started? Yeah, okay. We get a mask on.
1.5 bar.
Okay, I've got a mask on.
If there's any less, it's just NA.
Yeah.
You've probably seen them changing from primer white to the championship white.
Yeah. So what's that? First coat.
It's as easy as that.
Good. For those of you who haven't seen in our videos before, this is to remove static. It's loud in here, isn't it, today?
Neutraliser static.
Neutraliser static. Okay, we're on with a bit of shiny. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Looking good, mate. Looking good.
Like a new one, eh?
Like a new one. Well, there we have. Back in one piece. Looking beautiful. Champ White Mugen. Oh, what a car. And it looks beautiful again. So well done, Keith. And we'll see you all on the next one. Thumbs up.